At SpeedPro, we are the premier large format printer. We specialize in corporate interiors, and we'd like to show you our capabilities and the best products and solutions in the market today. These products are the building blocks of a successful project in corporate or commercial interiors. Today, we'll talk about the dimensional component of the sales kit. Acrylic's clarity and translucence are ideal for architectural applications. Our CNC router and cutter can precisely and consistently create unique shapes, even out of premium materials such as acrylic. The glossy surface adds to the visual appeal and improves the graphics value. Another great option for adding dimension is PVC. PVC comes in a variety of colors and thicknesses. Its matte surface makes it the perfect candidate for printing and laminating. The weather-resistant properties of PVC means that it can also hold up well for outdoor applications. Similar to acrylic, PVC can also be precisely cut to create any shape. You can also route the PVC as we did with this routed brick pattern. We first route the pattern from gray PVC and put it on top to create a custom three-dimensional piece. If you're looking for a more premium solution, brushed ACM is your answer. This is an aluminum composite material that can be used indoors and outdoors. ACM comes in a variety of colors and thicknesses to fit any project you may have. It's eye-catching and looks brilliant when printed on. There are so many other options for wall mounting graphics. At SpeedPro, we'll help you find the perfect solution for your project, and every project is unique. The last major decision is choosing the hardware to mount the graphics. Options include standoffs, cleats, quick snap, or pin. Each of these is designed to give your graphics a specific look and stabilizes the graphic in a different way. When combining all of these dimensional options together, we're able to create incredible timelines, dimensional quotes, company names, logos, and many other exceptional graphics. With a wide variety of dimensional options, your graphics and signage will be sure to stand out. For more information on large format printing solutions, contact SpeedPro.